everyone, welcome back to the Piano and the Series by Avia Learn. In today's video, we are going to be talking about matching articulation, which is the process of playing with the same style and articulation as our duet partner. It can greatly affect the overall sound and interpretation in our playing. Pianists use matching articulation to bring out certain characters in the music or maintain the same character throughout the piece. For example, in Beethoven's Für Elise, the opening melody has a gentle and lyrical character that is created with a legato articulation. It's important to maintain this legato articulation consistently whenever the melody returns in order to reinforce the musical identity. If I play this melody with a staccato articulation, it will create a conflicting character that is not appropriate in this case. To align our articulation in this piano duet, we can play the melody together to make sure that we both understand how to interpret it. Playing the melody at the same time helps us match our articulation. By listening carefully and practicing together, we can create a unified sound that will enhance the overall quality of our playing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to improve our piano playing in solo and ensemble settings. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!